Introducing the D-INPA full-size Murphy office bed with a convertible wardrobe, the farmhouse-style Murphy Cube office cabinet bed. This wall bed features drawers and a shelf, making it ideal for guest rooms and home offices with an antique wood finish. About this item, effortless organization. The built-in wardrobe in this Murphy bed provides ample space for organizing your clothing and personal items. With a convenient hanging rod, it is perfect for storing longer garments such as dresses, suits, and pants. Versatile storage options. In addition to the wardrobe, this Murphy office bed with desk includes 3 drawers and 3 open shelves, offering ideal spaces for storing socks, towels, or toys, helping to keep your office space neat and clutter-free. Functional and decorative shelf. The 75.9-inch by 7.9-inch panel functions as both a shelf and a desk, providing a versatile area for storage and work. This thoughtful design enhances both functionality and aesthetics. Office space-saving innovation. Effortlessly transform your office by folding the wall bed into a sleek cabinet, instantly creating more space for daytime activities. This intelligent design maximizes your office area. Sturdy and durable construction. Made from premium solid pine wood, this Murphy office bed frame is designed for long-lasting stability and durability, ensuring a reliable solution for years of use. For more details, visit www.globalmultiplex.shop.